Good morning. I am back on the David Yetman Trail today. I'm going to try to take that little route that I took maybe 2 weeks ago, I think, and see what I find. I'll share how pretty it is out this morning. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun just came out and the weather is perfect, except my allergies. I am forced to take 2 different allergy pills as of this week. I think it's a Palo Verde. I'm not sure. Let's look around. I can see my car down there, right there. Still got a little ways to go though.